Hello everyone, hope you are doing well in your preparation for GATE examination. This video is exclusively for mechanical engineering students, those who are going to write their GATE examination in coming 13 to 14 days. Myself, Siva Prasad, I have done my UG program in IIIT Newsweek. Currently, I'm pursuing my PhD program in Department of Mechanical Engineering in IIT Tirupati. Let us start this video. GATE examination consisting of 100 marks. Out of this 100, 70 is core, 30 is mathematics and aptitude and all. So, since we do not have much time, uh, hardly 2 weeks of time, see, we have to concentrate on scoring part first. See, this video is clearly telling which parts you have to concentrate on more for securing more marks and what topics you should not leave before appearing for the GATE examination. See, coming to the scoring part, the first one is mathematics. In mathematics, see, without studying these topics, okay, it is not suggestible to appear for GATE examination. See, the first one, properties of matrices, and we have different types of solutions for a system of linear equations by solving linear equations with the help of matrices like Gauss elimination method, and eigenvalues and eigenvectors and their properties also extremely important for GATE examination, and limits, maxima and minima concept, um, vector calculus, numerical methods like numerical integration and numerical differentiation, and Laplace transformations. See, all these topics are very important for GATE examinations. Without studying this, and you expect more questions from these topics. And next, coming to the English and engineering aptitude. Besides mathematics, we have English and engineering aptitude for 15 marks. And out of these 15 marks, and expect more marks from engineering aptitude. See, do not prepare for a general aptitude for banking exam and all. See, engineering aptitude is quite different from what you expect. And next, see, these topics are inevitable topics, means you should not leave these topics before appearing for a GATE examinations. Since we have a 2 weeks of time, see, just um, revise these topics from each individual subject. See, coming to the thermodynamics, so laws of thermodynamics like a zeroth law, first law, and second law. Next, work done problems means integral PDV problems, and calculation of entropy change and irreversibility. Entropy change and irreversibility, definitely you have one or two questions in GATE examination. And coming to the properties of pure substance, and Joule-Thomson coefficient and inversion curve, this is also important. And next, coming to the heat transfer, we have Fourier law of heat conduction, thermal resistance problems like what you can say, R, thermal resistance problem. Such type of simple applications you may expect in GATE examination. Next, overall heat transfer coefficient and critical thickness of insulation for cylinder and sphere, both are important. And all non-dimensional numbers like Prandtl number, Biot number, these are also important for 1 mark. Next, unsteady heat conduction or transient state of heat conduction, like a lumped heat capacitance model. Calculation of cooling time is also important for GATE 2 marks. And the constant heat flux and constant wall temperature problems for 1 or 2 marks. Stephen Boltzmann law of radiation and view factor calculation. This is extremely important, view factor calculation. Next, coming to the heat exchangers, we have LMTD, logarithmic mean temperature difference, and effectiveness NTU method, efficiency and effectiveness of fins. See, you will easily get 1 or 2 marks again by knowing the efficiency and effectiveness of engine. Next, applications of thermodynamics. IC engine cycle diagrams. See, if you know all cycle diagrams, you will definitely have 1 mark in matching and all. And the second important problem you may expect from IC engines is this type of problems. It's cutoff is equals to some percentage of stroke volume. So do not leave this problem before appearing for gate. You just have good practice on it. Next, brake power and mean effective pressure calculation. See, brake power and mean effective pressure calculations are also important. Next, Rankine cycle. Rankine cycle and Brayton cycle. In Rankine cycle, concentrate on reheat and mean temperature of heat addition calculation and regeneration. See, these topics are easy and important also. In Brayton cycle, efficiency, that formula itself have more important. And regeneration problems. Next, coefficient of performance of reverse Carnot and reverse Rankine cycle. See, terminology in psychometry. In psychrometry and representation of all processes on this curve. See what I am drawing here. See, in y-axis omega and x-axis temperature, specific humidity on y-axis and dry bulb temperature on x-axis. So you have different type of processes on all curve. This is also important from air conditioning point of view. Coming to the fluid mechanics is very vast. See, whatever topics I am dictating here are extremely important. It doesn't mean you omit all remaining topics. Okay, and coming to the surface tension problem in fluid mechanics and manometry, buoyancy forces and buoyancy and forces on submerged bodies and metacentric height. Bernoulli's application, conservation of mass and energy in vector form. Okay, and streamline and equipotential line problems. Theory in turbo machinery like hydraulic efficiency and all. So since we have 2 weeks of time, allocate your time in such a way that you should not leave whatever topics I am telling you. See, in coming to the manufacturing stream, the first one is iron and iron carbide diagram. Okay, you may expect theory like what is the crystal structure and lattice structure of gamma iron, delta iron, like that, and lattice defects, what is point defects and what is the two-dimensional effects and all. Heat treatment like annealing, normalizing and all. Next, in casting, mold filling time and solidification time, riser design and casting defects. Next, see, I am framing all these topics keeping in mind that these topics are extremely important for gate, and after thorough verification of different problems in the last 10 years, efficiency of welding and calculation in butt welding and spot welding, and soldering theory and welding defects, true stress, engineering stress relations and their graphs of mild steel, and wire drawing calculations. Next, sheet metal operations and calculations, rolling draft calculation. See, rolling draft calculation and relation between coefficient of friction and radius of the roller. This relation also important. Machining time calculation in all type of machining, say drilling, milling, and all type of machining operations. What is the time required for machining? This is important. You may expect 2 marks question or 1 mark question from this. Next, merchant circle and tool signature, grinding wheel loading and glazing, centerless grinding, grinding wheel specification also important. So just practice on how to specify grinding wheel and all. Next, theory in unconventional machining like electrical discharge machining, electrical chemical machining, and different type of unconventional machining. Next, G codes and M codes in CNC. This is also important. G codes and M codes. Fits and tolerance problems. Fits and tolerance problems concentrate more on like problem like 25, H9, G7, such type of specification, and how to resolve such problems. best wire diameter calculation in metrology. Next, coming to the design of mission elements, problems on fatigue, Schoenberg, Gerber, and Goodman theories of failure, and all theories of failure, like maximum shear stress theory, different types of failure theories. Design of riveted, bolted, and welded joints, life of bearing, and Sommerfeld number. Okay, theory of missions. Don't leave these topics. First one is Kennedy's theorem for I centers, instantaneous center of rotation, and inversions of four-bar mechanism and double slider crank mechanism. See, these topics you may expect for 1 mark. This inversions of four-bar mechanism and double slider crank mechanism, like a Scotch yoke mechanism and all. See, degrees of freedom formula and Grashopp's law. Grashopp's law, recent last 3 years of gate examination, they are asking 1 mark question. Like they will give some link lengths, link 1, 2, 3, 4, all link lengths, and they are asking this mechanism is falling under which type of 4-bar mechanism. Means double rocker mechanism or crank rocker, like that. And velocity vector and Coriolis acceleration, terminology of cam, this is also important. Which cam and applications of cam, which cams are suitable for which applications. And coming to the terminology of gearing, like module and small relations, also important. Problems on reverted and epicyclic gearing. See, you definitely expect 2 marks question from epicyclic gearing system. Next, governors, basic understanding governors is required, and problems on flywheel, calculation of natural frequency of different mechanical systems. Next, logarithmic decrement, damping factor calculation, and graphs also important. They are asking some very interesting questions. How this, we can say, natural frequencies, how it is expecting that amplitude ratio, that graphs. And one more topic is gyroscopic effect on ships and aeroplanes. And strength of materials, calculation of deformation and deflections, shear force and bending moment diagrams are very important. Deflection of beams, gripping load for columns, Moore circle, temperature stresses, it means thermal stresses, strain energy calculations, angle of twist in shafts. These topics are important. You should not leave these topics. And coming to the engineering mechanics, problems and trusses, friction, basics of friction, and work energy theorem. Work energy theorem you may expect for 2 marks. Work energy theorem. Next, coming to the industrial management and operational research, OR, linear programming, LPP, transportation problems, assignment problems, inventory, queuing, and material requirement planning, MRP. See, whatever topics I told, these are such a topics you have to revise thoroughly. Okay. We are wishing you all the best for your GATE examination.